here also about my JustRead app. The app helps me read English books in Vietnamese and in any translation style, any way I like. So today's update is about improving translation quality. In the update video yesterday, I improved the translation quality by using the thinking, and it has translated much better than before. But today I want to push it a little further to see if the quality can improve. As you know, when we translate, whether it's translating section 1 or section 2, we only provide the guideline and the section we want to translate. In reality, when people write books, the two sections often easily connect with each other. I think I will provide the content of the previous section, provide the content of the following section, and have it translate the section in between. Well, I don't really know because the result after thinking about it, I found it to be really good already. So now I honestly don't know if doing that is good or not. However, who knows? It might be good, right? Currently, the results are still very stable.
Additionally, there are some other small updates on the UX and UI.
As for UI, in the interface for viewing the book, I've added a new section below called Translation Usage, where I will clearly show how many input tokens, how many output tokens, and the current cost of the book here. As for the other interface, yeah, when translating, we have added two more translation modes here. Automatically translate the entire book and all the content on this page. It means when you click on this, it will automatically translate sequentially all the text sections above. As for translate, on select, you will choose a mode, a style below here. Then you just click on each block here and it will translate. One more thing is that I adjusted the UI a little here to make it feel like AI is translating rather than just normal loading. So yeah, now I will demo for you. For example, if we choose translate on select, we just need to select here and it will translate. But in the old UI, by default, we only had one function, which was when you clicked on the text, it would always auto-translate. But then I realized that sometimes I just wanted to copy, so I enabled these two modes. If you don't enable this, then just select the text, then click on the type of translation you want over here. That's the update. So in summary, with this type of update, I hypothesize, I guess that it will yield better translation results. That's just my guess though, because I don't really know. Because it's usually already quite good. Yeah, so next I will clarify the translation part. And this afternoon, I thought that this tool has a complex setup. So when it comes to releasing it to everyone, if I do it, I'll probably just release the part for people to read books. For example, the book viewing interface, then the book selection interface, and then just reading books. As for the translation part over here, I will remove it and replace it with a chat box. With this chat box, you can chat with the content of this book. For example, if there's a part that we don't understand, we can click here and it will show the chat box over here and we'll chat with it, right? So that's the release panel for everyone to just read books. As for the translating, I'll still do the translating and you guys read and then donate. You donate money because translating is not cheap at all, right? Thank you. And today's update has many